This video is going to be about how to make foil logos, and I'm going to show you a couple of different ways. And before I get into the video, if you are new to my channel, don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you can see more videos just like this one. So let's jump right into it. I am in iPicky.com, and for my viewers who have been following me, I use this site a lot. So we are going to click to create a design, and we're just going to make a box, just a plain white box. And it's just going to be, we're going to size this differently. It always defaults to this sort of a rectangular shape. So we're just going to go ahead and make a square. And I mean, really this is not even necessary. And you can make it whatever size you want. I'm making mine 900 by 900, and we are going to click create. Okay, so the next thing that we're going to do, I'm going to show you how to make a wreath logo, and then I'm going to show you how to do one with a divider. Okay, so what we need to do is we need to add some text. Okay, so I'm going to type my name. And I want to change my font. And if you go over here to local, any fonts you have ever uploaded, they are going to be there. So that is one of the hardest parts, is looking through fonts. And a lot of times I will pause this video like I'm going to right now so that I can find the font that I would like to use. Okay, so for my name, I have chosen the font that I would like to use. This is all just a matter of preference. Okay, and then the next thing we're going to do is we are going to add a divider. Now, I got these dividers and wreaths on Etsy, and I got a bunch of them, and they were not very expensive at all. Let me see if I flip this around. I think it'll probably do the same thing. Yeah, I like this flipped around a little bit better. Okay. Now, I don't want this divider to be too long. I kind of want it to be somewhat in proportion with the name. Okay, so let's say that I was just doing Alicia Kahn Designs. So the next thing I'm going to do, I like to mix and match fonts. And I sort of have my own personal rule of thumb. If you have something in script, then I like the text on the bottom to be something that is not script. So I'm going to type designs. And now I'm actually going to change the font again. And I already know the font I want to use for that one. Okay. And then you can size this however you would like. Okay, so here is our logo. However, it needs some color. So I'm just going to make a rose gold color. And if you watched my previous video, I purchased a bunch of foil papers. I have mastered how to make gold foil paper and silver, but I have not mastered the colors. So I actually did purchase these papers. So I'm going to use this one right here. And we are going to cover this completely. And I'm going to go over here and I'm going to click lighten. And I think that's beautiful. I will blow this up just so you can see it a little bit better. So that is number one. Let me go ahead and save this one. to my desktop. Okay, we're going to return, and I'm going to also show you how to make one that is in a wreath. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to pull over my wreath right here. And this is a transparent background. I purchased them that way, where they were already transparent. Okay, and in this one, I'm actually just going to type AC, my initials, and I'm going to change the font. And I bought this font like 8 months ago on Creative Market, and I have not been able to get it to work very well on anything, but it somehow works very well on this. And the name of the font is called Just Love. Okay, and I'm actually bolding that. Okay, so I'm actually going to put some more text down here. So I'm doing AC, and then we're going to do designs. And this is just a quick basic tutorial. You can get as creative as you want with this. You can do a combination of different foils if you would like. It's all however you would like to do it. So on this, I'm just going to go. Okay. Now, let me make this just a little bit bigger. And then you can position this however you would like. Okay, so once again, we are going to take our foil paper and we are going to cover that. And then we are going to click Lighten. And I'll blow this up and show you how that looks. I just love it. I think it's gorgeous. And if you don't like that foil paper, you can actually try a different foil paper if you would like. We can try this one. And that's pretty too. It's just not quite as dark. So I'm going to go back, and I am going to use the darker colored one. And also, if you notice when I blow this up, this kind of has lines going through it. You can even tilt this if you want, and I think that's what I'm going to do. We have that completely covered, and then we're going to click Lighten. And then is what we're going to do, I'm actually going to export this, export to editor, and I'm going to crop this down some because we want to take out, now that we have our logo, we want a logo that we're able to drag over onto our designs easily. And it has to be a transparent background in order to do that. And once again, I know this is just a quick tutorial. You can mix and match the foils if you want. So if you wanted the wreath to be a different color foil, then you can do that too. And actually, I probably should have done that in this video, but I was just trying to show you so you get the idea. So we're going to click Apply. And then now we're going to go ahead and save this image to our computer. Okay, so as what we're going to do now is we are going to hop over to iPicky.com, and we are going to choose that image that we just made. And we are going to take out the background with one click of a button. And look how beautiful that is. I mean, you can actually see how shiny and pretty that the foil colors are. I just absolutely am in love with this. And I'm really glad that I tilted the foil so that the lines are kind of going down this way. Okay, so now we're just going to save the image, save as PNG, throws it down here into the bottom left-hand corner, and we are going to be opening this file up, and then we are going to click File, Save As, save it to your wherever you want to. If you have a bunch of different logos you use, however you want to do it. So I'm just going to put, and now I'm going to save that image. And just to show you how that works, we'll hop back over here to iPicky. And I always make thumbnails for my YouTube videos, and I'm actually going to switch back over here to the designer. And whenever I create my thumbnails, I always click new, and a YouTube thumbnail is 1280 by 720, and we're going to click create. And then now I'm going to go ahead and pull this design that I just created in a PNG format over onto this. So this is how it would work for you if you had a design that you made, however, and see, it has a completely transparent background. I hope this video was helpful to you. If you do have any questions or comments, please leave them in the comments section below. Also, do not forget to hit the subscribe button and also that bell notification so you do not miss out on any future videos just like this one. And also, if you would like, you can join my Facebook group. It's called Etsy Passive Income. Now, I've had several people who have asked me to leave a link to that group, and whenever I do that, it just takes people to the main Facebook login page. The only thing you have to do is make sure you're searching under groups and then search under Etsy Passive Income. Thanks so much for watching, and I hope everyone has a great day.